Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve HDMI 2.1 no signal error with Xbox or PS5 when one of them is connected to your DREAME TV. First of all, try disconnecting the HDMI cable from both your TV and the external device and inspect the cable for any visible damage. And if there is no visible damage on your HDMI cable, then try changing the HDMI port on your TV, which you use for HDMI connection, and switch to it. And then see if this fixes the problem. And if the problem is still there, we can power cycle the TV by simply turning it off, then unplugging the cable of the TV for about from the power outlet for about 2 minutes, and then plugging it back in, turning on the TV again, and seeing if this helps you. Now, if the problem is still there, then you can also try reboot the console and try toggling off the HDMI CEC feature on your TV by going to all settings, going to picture, going to channels and inputs, then selecting inputs and disabling HDMI control in here. After that, you're gonna have to switch to your input manually and turn on your console manually, as it will not turn on by itself with HDMI CEC enabled or disabled. And then see if this helps you resolve your issue. If not, then adjust the connection type in settings once again by going to quick settings, then all settings menu, and then open channels and inputs, select inputs, select your preferable input that you use for HDMI connection, and change HDMI EDID version to enhance for better compatibility. And that's basically it. These are all the troubleshooting steps. After that, the issue should be gone. Otherwise, try replacing the cable with a different one. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.